The biggest change drivers in the payment landscapes are first the customer expectations regarding how they can have a shopping or how can be their journey for shopping and with their relation with merchants and with payment institutions. They are more and more digital, and this is part of the second main driver, it's the evolution of the technology. With the evolution of the technology, we can do much more than what it was possible before. And customers now know that and want to be able to use it. So it could be on the digital point of view, it could be on mobile, it could be also on how they are doing shopping in shops or in e-commerce or through a mobile application. So many things. They are not also just focusing on a specific type of payments. They want to have the capability to choose the type of payments that they want to. And all that things, it's providing a very big change in the payment landscape, and especially in the card payment landscapes. We remove barriers in the different channels, but also in the different countries. Now we need to work on the harmonization on the payments and how we can optimize the cost to manage payments. So just not to have only one payment per country with a specific protocol and certification and so on, but to benefit on a huge scale and new type of payment platform across a multiple country approach, using new type of protocols, independent protocol. And it's really what we do at Nexo with all our members. We are working on a new way to handle transactions over new international protocols based on ISO 20022. And these protocols are independent from a specific actor or specific country. This is for the benefit of all the payment chain. And we are working all together, with merchants, payment institutions, processors, vendors, schemes. All together, they are members of Nexo organizations, and all together we work on the future on how we can manage a new way to manage transactions for the benefit of the customer, for the benefit of merchants and banks also, to simplify the security, to simplify the systems, to benefit of the economy of scales, to be able to deploy very quickly new innovations in a multi-country and multi-systems approach. Well, the main impact of institutions, and especially on financial institutions, I think it's an impact on the habit. Before it was quite easy to manage transactions regarding specific rules and protocol, but now they can't work alone on their side because they are not alone to decide or to define the new evolution and new innovations. We can see on the market that many innovations that are present on the market are coming from different actors and not only from banks and financial institutions. So it's key for financial institutions to work closely with all the different actors in the payment chain, and especially to work closely with merchants, that they have their own expectations with the relation with the customer. So many innovations now are coming also from merchants, and merchants need to work with financial institutions, and financial institutions need to work closely with merchants. So it's a common work, and working all together we will be able to deploy a new way to manage transactions and to reply to a new customer demand.